is one of the most modern, if not the most modern.
We are celebrating the naming and launching ceremony of the second Scorpion submarine of the Royal Malaysian Navy, demanding requirements of the Royal Malaysian Navy. 6 years later, we are very proud of the ceremony that we are holding.
What is unique of this tradition is that the naming and subsequent
Commission of the Raja Permaisuri Agong Tuanku Nur Zahira, accompanied by His Majesty the Yang di-Pertuan Agong Al-Watiku Billah Tuanku Mizan Zainal Abidin Ibn Almarhum Sultan Mahmud Al-Muqtafi Billah Shah, to proceed to the dais for the naming and launching ceremony of the second submarine.
To mark the naming and launching ceremony of the second Royal Malaysian Navy Scorpion submarine by Her Majesty Sri Paduka Baginda.